Driving school on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. Mirror left, shoulder left. It's been with Pierre Driving School. We're covering Fulton Street today, Brooklyn, New York, driving lessons. So if you live around this area, you want Pierre Driving School to help you, check the link in the description below. Until then, let's pay attention here. Mirror left, we have to drive around here. All right, good. Coming back the same way, mirror right, shoulder right, and we continue driving straight here. We are on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here at Pierre Driving School, okay? So we're gonna do our lefts and right and some observation. And if anything you want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. And if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bells. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. This channel here, we are all in about driving, all right? So we're gonna continue here. We're on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. If you guys are missing something, put in the comment below, as most of our observation is coming from you guys think that instead that we're missing, okay? As I'm driving, maybe some stuff I can pick up, but as you're watching, you got a better view of what I'm seeing. So let me know in the comment below if I miss anything, so next time I can correct it so it can be safe for us, all right? We are on Fulton Street here, Brooklyn, New York. We'll be going a little bit roughy on the wood. Gonna pull over right over here to do a booking K-turn, a 3-point turn. Right here, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over. Okay, we're gonna wait for clearance to do a K-turn from here. So I set up for K-turn. Reverse a little bit because I'm too close with the car in front of me. I got a bit more clearance on the back. I'm letting it clear, there's no rush. See, letting it clear. You do not take action until you got full clearance, all right, folks? Remember that. You do not take action until you have full clearance. Okay, I gotta do clearance here. Lock all the way to the left. I'm gonna go all the way up over. See, I'm looking until I sit on the yellow line. Follow the process. And reverse, lock to the right. Going back as my car going back until mirror left cannot pass the yellow. Put into drive. Lock to the left. See, I'm taking my time here. Each direction I'm locking, I'm paying attention to the signal back. All right, there we go. That was a 3-point turn on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. We keep it going here. One of the area here at Pierre Driving School we cover. See wood, slowing down. If you live in the New York area, you want us to cover any area, put in the comment below. If you new here, you want us to cover any topic, anything driving related, we are all in about driving. We will answer you on a video format. Put in the comment below. We'll take care of those things as well. This lesson this morning is on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. One of the busy area of which we do pick up and drop off. We do lesson here in New York City. Whatever you do contrary from going straight, you signal all your attention. You see what I'm doing here? Mirrors and shoulders. Signal all of your attention. There you go. Yes. At the light here, we're gonna make a left turn here. It's going to be an intersection left turn. You know how we do for the purpose of the road test. We're going to pull to the middle. And the traffic coming on the block has the right of way. Might be a tough left turn here because it's early morning here on Fulton Street, New York City. The traffic is kind of tough, but we'll manage. That's what we do. Okay, now I'm going to show what I'm going to do here. I'm blocking up traffic on my left side. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go with the turn. In front of me, traffic was clear, which was good, and that's what we were looking for. So these guys open up on us, but we know how to manage. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. We're looking good? Yes, we are good on the light. You're all right, shoulder right and make the turn fall to the closest right lane. Okay? And continue to drive from here. All right? We're gonna make another right turn at the light coming up. If we're gonna make another right turn, we want to be more to your right. Okay, so I'm bringing it more to the right. You wanna be more close to the lane that you're driving. In fact, student must always be on the right side of the road anyway. All right? At the light, right turn. Your right shoulder right is the human comment. Okay, she stopped. Beautiful. See, I fall back to do the eye contact and she decided to stop. Then I continue to go. Pay good attention. You never fully accelerate until you have full control of where you're going. Otherwise, it's going to be a problem. Fulton Street. Driving school on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. This lesson was on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. All right, folks, we're about to get to our students' destinations. We're gonna pull over, son. Traffic is kind of moving a little bit slow. We're moving along. There's nothing we can do. See? Car in front of us is stopping because it got caught at the crosswalk. That's what we do not need. You do not go over until you got clearance. Otherwise, you're going to get caught at the crosswalk, and that is not good for driving. You can get in ticket for the road test. They will simply fail you. Folks, like, share, and subscribe. Anything, put in the comment below. There you have it. This lesson was driving school on Fulton Street, Brooklyn, New York. We're putting over here. We're by the student house. Mirror right, shoulder right. Bring the car in, nice and smooth. All right, okay. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Let me reverse a bit. You take care now, folks. Bye-bye. So I'm looking behind me. Bring the car closer. Beautiful. You can proximity. Good, good, good. All right. Keeping it going from there. All right, folks. Anything I missed, folks, anything I missed, put in the comment below. As you guys can see better than I can, because as I'm driving, there's a lot of moving variable. Try my best to say. I'm trying to adjust the steering wheel. Okay. Okay. All right. I think I did good. Well, let's put it back a little bit too high and push it in a little bit. Oh, put it this way. I'm adjusting the steering wheel, folks. Will I do that and put it up or no? Okay, good, I can. All right, folks, live and we learn. Until then, keep practicing. This has been Pierre Paul Job School. Take care now. Bye-bye.